Upwork is one of the biggest online platforms where clients and freelancers from all over the world work together. And today, I will tell you how this platform can change your career and how you can start earning step by step in a simple and clear way. Without any confusion, Upwork gives you a chance to sell your skills, whether you're a graphic designer, a web developer, a content writer, a video editor, a virtual assistant, or something else. And the best part is that you do not need any investment to start your journey on Upwork. What you need is only skill, strategy, and consistency. Your journey begins with creating a strong profile, because your profile is the first thing that clients see. Your title should clearly show what service you provide, and your overview should describe what problem you solve for the client and what results you could deliver. Skills should be added carefully, and only those skills that you can perform with confidence. Your portfolio is the most powerful part of your profile, because it shows your real work. Even if you are a beginner, you can create sample projects and upload them to your portfolio. A client wants to see your quality, your creativity, and your effort. So make sure every portfolio item looks clean, focused, and high quality. After you complete your profile, the next step is sending proposals. When you apply for a project, do not send a general line. Instead, read the job post carefully. Understand what the client needs, and then write clearly how you can solve the problem with your skill and your experience. Tell the client that you have worked on similar tasks before, and if you have samples, then mention them so the client can view your quality. Good communication is very important on Upwork. Respond to clients quickly, answer questions clearly, and show them that you are serious about your work. Be honest about your delivery time and deliver exactly what you promise. A happy client gives 5-star reviews, and these reviews build your reputation and help you get more work in the future. Your earnings depend on your pricing strategy. In the beginning, you can keep your price reasonable so that you can get your first few clients and build strong ratings, but do not sell yourself too cheap, because your time and your effort have value. Once you get strong reviews, you can slowly increase your price to match your quality and experience. Time management is also very important. Always deliver work on time or before time. And if you face any problem during the project, inform your client immediately. Clear communication removes confusion and builds trust between you and the client. Always use the Upwork payment system because it protects both you and the client and keeps your earnings safe. Never take payment outside the platform, because that breaks the rules and also puts your money at risk. To grow faster, try to work on small jobs first, because they are easy to complete and help you build quick reviews. After that, you can apply for long-term projects that give you monthly income and stability. You can also create service packages that clearly show what the client will get for a fixed price. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you can offer a basic package for simple logo, a standard package for full branding, and a premium package for advanced design work. When you complete a project, always ask the client for feedback, because good feedback increases your profile visibility and brings more clients to you. Update your skills often and keep learning new tools and techniques so your profile stays fresh and modern. Avoid common mistakes like sending random proposals, copying proposals from others, or showing fake portfolio items, because clients can easily identify when something is not real, and it will damage your long-term career. Instead, stay honest, stay focused, and keep improving your skill. Upward success comes from patience, quality work, and consistent effort. If you deliver great results, clients will come back to you again and again, and they will also recommend you to others. Here is a simple plan to get started. First step, build a professional profile. Second step, apply for 5 to 10 small jobs and write a clear, personalized proposal for each job. Third step, create your best portfolio samples. Fourth step, deliver every project with high quality and request feedback. Fifth step, slowly increase your rates as your experience and positive reviews grow. If you follow these steps with dedication, Upwork can become a strong and steady source of income for you and a long-term career path that can completely change your life.